All right, so I built this really cool floating frame that we're going to use with Miranda out here at the Blue Lake. And you can see the back of it. What I did is just glued some pool noodles on the back. So this thing actually floats. It gives your model some support. And what we're going to do is we're going to have Miranda looking through the frame. We're going to float the frame. We're going to do a bunch of different stuff, but we're going to take this and without the floaties on the back, this is kind of a difficult thing. I actually have Miranda on 2 pool noodles that she's sitting on in kind of a U shape. That way it gives her the ability to not have to tread water the whole time, which is almost impossible to do on a long term. But yeah, so it looks incredible. Let me tell you, that is fantastic already. And that's just you getting ready. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So one of the things that I always say too is if you're going to put your model in a situation that they're not used to, you better be able to be in the same situation as them. So that's why I'm in the water with her. Now I'm just sitting on the stairs for these first shots, but it's important that you make sure that you take care of your model and you understand what she has to go through. That is incredible.
Right? And I was wearing shoes.
Like, that is crazy. Okay, that one deserves the big high five.
Thank you.
You did great. Good job.